welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make white Swiss meringue buttercream. So I get this question a lot, like how do you make your Swiss meringue buttercream white, or how do you make white Swiss meringue buttercream? Basically, Swiss meringue buttercream has the color of whatever butter you're using, and usually the color is usually like cream or off-white. I don't know if that's the color. So it takes the color of the butter you're using, because you use a lot of butter to make it. So usually it is not white, yeah. Okay, so today I'm going to show you guys a trick I used to get mine to be white. So, but I'm not going to make the Swiss meringue buttercream from the scratch, because I feel like it will make this video long. Sorry, I said white. I feel like it will make this video extra long. So I'm going to give you right up here. It says click on me. That's the link to my Swiss meringue buttercream recipe, and it is very easy. It is very beginner friendly. I made it especially for people that have not made Swiss meringue buttercream before, or if you made it before but you didn't get it quite right. Yeah, that video is for you, because I really explain how to do it and like what you're looking for and how you want it to look like. Okay, so watch that video and make your Swiss meringue buttercream, and then come back here and let me show you how to make it white. And if you already made your Swiss meringue buttercream, okay, so today I'm going to show you guys how I make my Swiss meringue buttercream white. That was a mouthful. Okay guys, so like I told you guys before, yeah, if you've been watching my videos, I like to make my Swiss meringue buttercream in batches. And when you make this buttercream, it can last for as much as a month. All you have to do is put some in the freezer first, and then if you want to use it maybe the next day, then you can bring it out and put it in the fridge overnight. That way it will soften up, and then it will make it easier for you to melt in the microwave. Okay, so the trick to this, guys, is to add some purple to your buttercream. Okay, so what you want to remember is that purple cancels out yellow on the color scheme. So the buttercream kind of looks a little bit yellowish. So what you want to do is add a little purple, and the closer to blue that purple is, the better. I don't know if you guys understand me. There is a kind of purple that is closer to pink than it is to blue, and there's a kind of purple that's closer to blue than it is to pink. I don't know if that makes sense. But if you are using a purple that is closer to pink, like in my case, I was using a purple that's closer to pink because that is what I have. You want to add a tiny little bit of black, and that's what I'm doing here. Just see how tiny that is. You're just touching the spoon to the gel food coloring. In this case, you do not want to use liquid coloring. You want to use just gel or powder, because liquid coloring affects the consistency of your Swiss meringue buttercream. Okay, so once you feel like the buttercream is a little too pinkish, you can add a tiny little bit of black. So now we're alternating between black and purple. So we're adding just little bit of black, little bit of purple. And what you want to do is to add them in tiny bits so that you can control. If you add too much at a time, remember you can take out. So I want you guys to notice the difference between the normal buttercream, the color, and the one we already like touched with black and purple. So see how like a little bit yellowish this is, and see how like almost white this is. This kind of looks like an off-white instead of cream. It's not a pure white like whipped cream, but it's a better improvement to the creamish color. I don't know if you guys get. So I hope you like this, and if you try this out, please send me a picture on Instagram. The link to my Instagram page is going to be in the description box below. So please send me a picture so I can see what you did. Thank you guys so much, and I hope you liked this video. And if you'd like me to make more of these videos, please send me a comment in the comment section, and please give me a thumbs up. Thank you guys, and I'll see you in my next tutorial.